Axial and radial rake angles have important influences on milling cutters. Negative axial rake angles increase edge strength and metal removal rates. Positive axial rake angles decrease edge strength but also decrease power demands and improve chip management. Negative radial rake angles have similar benefits to negative axial rake angles, but they also improve chip management qualities. The primary benefit of positive radial rake angles is the decreased demand for machine power. The combination of positive or negative axial and radial rake angles defines a milling cutter's geometry.